Hello everyone, this is Chris with StickerFab, and today I'm looking at the OEM emblem from the 2025 and up Toyota 4Runner. This should be the same emblem that they use on the 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, and this is an OEM matte black cover that you can purchase and put right on top of it. So why have I taken it back off? Well, I've taken it back off because I made overlays for this. I did an install video of how you can install those on that nice flat surface right there. However, I do have customers that are purchasing this without having this, even though it's noted on the website that it was designed for this, and then they get it and they don't know what to do. Well, it's still not advertised as fitting this, but I'm going to show you how you can do a okay job of installing it on it. Things that you will need are the overlays, a pair of scissors, StickerFab application fluid, and a heat source. This is a portable heat gun. It really doesn't get that much hotter than a hair dryer, but you will want to have that around. First, make sure this area is very, very clean. I had to get all of this adhesive off of it, and it was really a pain in the butt. Yours should be at least a little bit cleaner than that. Clean your hands, and then take that application fluid, or you can use a drop of dish soap or a few drops of dish soap mixed in with a cup or so of water. Spray that down, wet the back of your hands as well, and then as you peel this off, start spraying it as well. So if you've watched my first video, you'll know there's a deliberate cut right here, right in the middle of that Toyota hat. What I'm going to do is align that portion up first. So you'll see that you have some I think the word for it is chamfered edges around here. This just installs on that flat surface. Now I designed it for this because it was really nice, and you already have black, so you add color on top of that and it integrates really well. But you are going to see silver around this. There's no way around that unless you get like an ABS cover like this. So just work that middle part first, trying to align it to the best of your ability. Then you'll kind of work your way out right there and over the top. Now this vinyl has to have somewhere to go or it will all bunch up. Just want to use your fingers to hold and also push out that liquid. Now it may bunch up at the bottom a little bit. All right, now that's okay. We'll put the extra material right in the middle. This could happen on both installs, whether or not you have this cover or you're just doing the OEM emblem. And this can happen especially if you're in a warm environment. So I'm just allowing the layers to overlap at the bottom. Once you back up from the vehicle just a few feet, you won't even notice that. This is a three-dimensional surface. It's not two-dimensional. It's not completely flat. So that provides a little bit of a challenge, but cutting the vinyl right there makes this install actually really easy. So it is kind of bunched up right here where it's not laying flat. I'll keep on trying to press that out, but we can increase how sticky the vinyl is by applying a little heat. It'll also help dry out the water underneath it, or in this case the StickerFab application fluid. So apply light heat. When I'm working with vinyl, since these are all pre-cut templates, I'm not really trying to stretch anything. So the rule of thumb that I use is if it's burning your hand, then it's probably too hot for the vinyl. So really control the amount of heat that you're using. Push down, use a little pressure. Allow all of this to dry, and then you're good to go. So I've still knocked out a lot of the color on this front emblem for the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. I'm going to add this video to the product page. I'm not changing the application for this. This vinyl was designed to be installed on this, but if you get in this situation or you want to try your hand at it, go ahead and purchase this at stickerfab.com. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit the bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things I'm coming out with for the 2025 and up Toyota 4Runner.